Oh, we got the gang. Yeah, we got the gang up in here, man. Yes, sirski.
The Marcus look comfortable as shit. I am.
Well, on that note, welcome to another one, Weed and Whiskey. I just want to correct you guys. We're not here at part 2. We're here at part B because Budman don't do number 2.
Yes,
that is a big fact.
Budman don't do number 2.
That's a big fact.
We're here at part B.
That's a big fact.
We're
about to get gunshot
at part B.
Yes, sir.
All right, I just have to let that clear before we go anywhere further because
that's
y'all can play the number 2 business if y'all want because I'm not going home on no number 2 business. All right,
that's facts.
Milk Nut over here by
himself. There you go.
One few. Yeah, that's so funny.
Welcome to another one, Weed and Whiskey. It's honestly so great that me and Quaz gonna share the mic right now. I just wanted the minutes of the hour right now to take control, and please let us know what the fuck y'all did tonight. I know what y'all did. I need to know from y'all mouths, from what y'all saw, from what y'all did tonight. What did y'all do tonight?
You want me to explain?
You want to go first?
All right, I'll go first. So pretty much we put together a little situation where artists, independent artists, like up and coming artists, could share their platform. Everyone's here supporting everyone that came to perform today. You understand what I'm saying? It's just an outlet of just them getting their music out. Because like, you know what I mean? Starting off is really hard to get your music out. You know what I mean? So like, you feel me? At the end of the day, us doing what we did today.
I'm sorry.
Us doing what we did today, you feel me? Like it definitely showed up for the city, for real.
This was amazing, bro. And honestly, bro, I want you to keep bragging about what you did ttonight. I need you to keep bragging about it. Like this feeling that you got tonight, I need you to keep that feeling.
Yo, I'm not gonna front. It's mad surreal, bro. It's surreal, bro. Like I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was nervous, bro. Cause it's only the second one. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? I've done 2 events, but it's the second sound check. You know what I'm saying? And for it to be a turnout like this, and we switched the whole vibe 180, mm-hmm. and it retained everybody here, and we got the mission done. You know what I'm saying? Everybody network, bro. That's my main thing, bro. And I'm just
pretty much what it really was.
About this, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
So speaking of the whole change up, why the whole change up?
Because it's not a fucking showcase.
Yo, we be talking.
That's why I ain't say that word.
I hate showcases.
We didn't say that word.
Disrespect to anybody that throws showcases. You know what I'm saying? Because some of my niggas throw showcases, but showcases, respectfully to me, is not what are you gaining from.
Can I be honest? Can I be honest? Showcases are hustle.
I feel like showcases is lit. It's just
it's a hustle.
It's a little dated the way people do it.
Yeah,
I feel like if you're gonna do a showcase, you just disguise it as something else that's not a showcase.
Right.
It's still showcase, but in a different way.
Let me double down and say some shit, all right? Because I got to be the nigga that do it, right?
Say it.
You know what I made this really good? Because personally, the one thing I don't like about coming to showcases, I don't like niggas rapping over their music. I personally fucking hate that. I do, my nigga. Because it's like, I don't go to my favorite artists to listen to them rap over their music. I don't, my nigga.
You just want to hear the song.
I want you to give me an experience.
Right.
Like, I want to hear your vocals. And I want to hear the fucking... The most you can come pre-recorded with is the chorus.
That's
it.
Right.
That's it.
But even then, niggas are still giving you a certain experience with their chorus at that too. Like, but the reason this works for it is because you allowed them to sit down and you allow them to just speak their piece, and you allow somebody else to tap in with them at the same time from an outside perspective. And the fact that they're up and coming artists allowed them to really fucking break that fucking cherry, nigga. Really pop that cherry to really just like, fucking, I'm an artist.
It forces the artist to get comfortable in front of people, because a lot of artists are not comfortable in front of people.
Bro, exactly. A lot of the artists
they can record all they want. They get in front of people and the performances be doo-doo.
Yeah,
so don't perform it.
Right.
Sit down and make us experience it with you.
Right.
Exactly.
A lot of the artists, it was their first time performing.
Most of them was their first time performing.
Like I was telling people, like, you know what I mean? This is a platform where it's like, instead of going straight to Toad's Place for your first performance, like, you could definitely perform in an more intimate setting, as well as get interviewed with weed and whiskey, of course. Yeah, you know what I mean?
That's a
quick
fact.
little plug.
Shout out.
And as well as get promo press as far as photography and videos of your performance. You feel what I'm saying? So it's more than just a showcase. You know what I mean? We ain't gonna use that word, but like it's an event. Honestly.
It's okay.
No, it's an experience.
It's a
What
thing.
we gave you
But
tonight is an experience.
It's a thing that we do.
It's an experience.
Look at MV.
It's an experience.
Everybody been stealing my charger all night. Just so
Niggas literally came in here and was like, yo, I got a charger.
I'll give you $1.
Yo, shout out to the gang, man. Shout out to MB. Shout out to GoGo. You know what I mean? Shout out to Ja.
The team showed up today.
I mean, the team really showed up.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you, I was nervous, bro.
Why, nigga? This not your
I
first
knew
time.
the promotion. I felt like it was good. Everything like that, bro.
Yeah, promo's crazy.
I'm not from here, bro. Like every time this happens, I have to remind myself.
I don't know
I'm not
why.
from here.
Right.
And
Yeah,
shout out
just
to you.
because it
Shout out
just
to you for
shows-
wearing the same hat that you wore in church while playing
I'm
the
weird,
organ.
bro. Fuck everything. Fuck everything.
Yo, we're gonna
Branding.
segue
We
into
branding.
that. We'll
We are
segue
branding.
into that in
We are
this
branding.
interview.
We are
But
branding.
homie was wearing that hat in the church
While
and-
playing the organ.
While playing the organ.
The godliest
bro,
instrument of them all.
We have it on video.
Wicked.
It got
It
me
was
with
bad.
oh shit, I'm talking to this nigga.
Borderline viral for no reason. Who wanna go viral? Who wanna go borderline viral for the wrong shit?
Right.
They can still screenshot it.
Weed and whiskey.
They put
That was weird.
The worst
But
part is because I tagged the church.
it's part of your journey, though.
You tagged the
he
church.
tagged
Part
the
of your
church
journey.
in
But
the video.
The reason I brought that up, is because two of the artists that you had perform tonight are from the church.
That's
And
a
I've
fact.
learned that
Oh,
from having
yeah.
a conversation with
That's a
them.
fact.
And I low-key have a crush on one of them because the way her voice fucking sounds
Yo,
is
she was
fucking
fire.
amazing.
I know you
And
too.
y'all know who it is. All
Well,
you
yeah,
guys
he
know
said
who
it.
it is. I ain't
Yeah,
gonna
we
deny.
know.
We
She
know.
fired.
We know.
Yeah, it makes my soul black. It makes my soul black. It makes my soul black.
Wow.
Yeah, he said it. No, he just said it.
You heard it first
Backwards.
on Weed and Whiskey.
Back, you
fuck out of here.
wasn't here for
Yo, we got the litness right now.
It's
They
not a
lit.
lot. It's not a lot of women
They
that can
lit.
really just sing like that and give you heart with their
Yo, that
soul,
was,
my nigga.
That was an instrumental.
My
He
nigga,
just
that's what I'm
sang
saying.
vocals.
You're not thinking about
That's just
vocals,
fine.
so you better
I was thinking about the vocals. It got me going. I'm not. You know what? I'm not.
Weed and
you.
Whiskey podcast.
Weed
It got
and
me
Whiskey
going back to Hartford. Maybe a little bit of Waterbury. Maybe Waterbury. We'll figure that around the way. I'm just know is because of what y'all did, I found an artist that I'm truly, genuinely a fan of. Regardless of what y'all want to say, I'm gonna play her music.
Damn right.
Genuinely.
And that's what this is
I am
about.
too.
Genuinely.
Even if it's just one person that
Exactly. I genuinely like
still
driving
song, it's
home.
organic.
Y'all know who I'm listening to.
Nah, we know.
I'm just letting you know
We
that from now.
He about to be smoking weed.
I hope so.
I hope so.
Yo, we gonna say
You know what? We
Yo,
get the fuck off here.
yo,
Get the
O'Shea,
fuck off
Weed
here.
and Whiskey.
O'Shea.
Welcome, O'Shea. Producer
Yo,
Skoops.
O'Shea, shout out to
JR
Waterbury.
is
Shout out to
as well.
Waterbury.
Back.
Weed and Whiskey
Please,
podcast.
Shout out to
Shout out to
Waterbury.
203.
He's drunk.
Shout out to 203.
Shout out to 203. Shout out to Moco. Shout out to JR. This is lit.
Shout out to
Shout out to
everybody that's a
Skoops.
part of Volume 2 of Sound Check. You're
I think I deserve to say this one time for the one time. Like O'Shea's always says,
Yeah, please.
that's what.
grab it by the pussy with consent. Good night.
He said grind. He said grassland is crazy.
You are too
And we
lit.
out.
I'm not even know.
We out, son.
You need to go home.
He said some fuckery, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. He said, yo, wait till you go back and watch that, bro. He said some fuckery.
They lit, bro.
Let's get the next one.